Body detox with herbs. Herbs have been used for thousands of years across the world to treat lots of diseases and health conditions. With their long history, popularity, and reported effectiveness, it's no wonder many people turn towards herbs when they need help purifying the body naturally. Your body continually needs nourishing foods to maintain cleanliness. For this reason, eating lots of whole, unprocessed foods is vital and will lighten your toxic load. You should also keep a check on what you eat. Your liver is the body's own detox system. Following a healthy organic diet is the first line of defense for keeping your body clean and free from toxins. Having said that, a herbal detox tea does have a place. Just keep in mind that it is all about taking a holistic, whole body approach. Aromatherapy is a great way to detoxify the body naturally. All you need to do is pop a few drops of aromatic herbal essential oils into your bathwater. Then, relax. You could also use a herbal aromatherapy that includes some form of steam inhalation. This is particularly helpful to help with respiratory health and detox your lungs. The best herbs for aromatherapy are lavender, jasmine, or sage. Milk thistle is another herb that can detoxify your liver. Milk thistle is especially beneficial for people who have been exposed to environmental toxins or have a history of alcohol abuse. The herb ginger has been used as a detoxifier in many cultures around the world for a long time. It also speeds up metabolism. Because of this, it makes an excellent addition to any diet or detox program. Although strictly not a herb, black radish is one of the foods most credited with the ability to eliminate toxins from the liver. It contains a lot of B vitamins, vitamin C, antioxidants, and potassium, all of which are great for liver function. You now have a few ideas on how to support your body to detoxify. Toxins come in the form of pesticides on food, alcohol, nicotine, and even chemicals in cosmetics and skincare products. However, as already mentioned, not putting toxins in the body in the first place is a great place to start. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.